All right, let's give this a shot. Bought Super Duty stickers to go in my dash here. The instructions say to apply it wet, so you get a little soapy water. Well, some things you should test beforehand. Okay, a little bit of soapy water. Get a little bit wet. Okay. Pull off the little decal. Ooh, these things are small. With it wet with a little bit of soapy water, it lets you place them and move them a little bit so that they don't get stuck and get out of shape. If you didn't apply this with water, I would have ruined that one a few times before it got up in there. Once you get it placed pretty good, make sure you get it right. Then we just move on to the next one. Before the soapy water, I picked up and did some alcohol on it, make sure that it was cleaned. That one seems like it's stretched a little bit. See if we can get that straightened out just a little bit. Not a huge deal. I don't know if you can see it. There's a little bubble right there. We'll hit that with some heat here in a second and pull that bubble right out. Must have stretched it whenever I pulled it off the backing paper. My videos aren't professional with all the cool features or anything like that. They're just me. Common, to the point. That's all you got. Applying decals like this really is not hard. It just takes patience. Take your time and it'll turn out just fine. Follow the instructions. And it's not supposed to stick out, you know, where you see it a lot and be out there in the open and all that kind of stuff. It's supposed to just add just a little bit of difference, a little bit making it my own. Found these on Etsy. Vinyl seems really high quality. Letters are fitting great. And I got 2 sets of decals just in case I mess up on a letter. I got a second one to play with. The quality of this vinyl and using the soapy water to install it, I don't foresee having to worry about this at all. About messing up a letter as I'm getting it stuck to my fingernail. Highly recommend don't dropping them though. That's a good way to mess them up. See, spoke too soon. Doing my best to tear this one up. Nope, saved it. The downfall of putting it on with water, the soapy water, is it doesn't want to stick at first. So making placements can be a little bit challenging to get the water out, so the soapy water out, so the vinyl wants to stick. Hopefully I'm not getting too much in where you can't see what's going on. Sometimes I just gotta get my nose in there so I can see it. Sucks getting old. Oh, well, you can still see. Light went off in the truck, took too long. It's interesting that this U is a little bit long too. Everything else is fitting good. Both the U's have a bubble right here in the bottom. A little bit of heat will bring that in. As you can see, I'm doing this inside my shop. It's not too terribly cold outside. It's not too hot outside. It's actually a great temperature to put on vinyl. Oh boy. All right, so see, takes that little bit there to get right. I got it from Jersey Graphics off Etsy. See right up there the email and stuff. Very cool. Very happy with the way it turned out. I'm gonna go get the heat gun and finish it off. Be right back. Run a Wagner. Don't need hot, don't need high. Just a little bit of heat. Make sure you got it set up where you want it to start with, because as soon as you hit the heat on it, you're gonna be done. particularly fond how the U here turned out. Screwed up my R. Not cool. Soapy water helps, and then it hurts. Any kind of movement can throw it all off whack. This little T is a real booger. There we go. Y's good. U's good. Something's up with that D. Gotta put some light on the subject. Aha! The D has a rolled corner, that's what. E's not bad. P's not bad. U's not bad. Turn that heat gun off. I got some work to do once you put light on it. These little decals are so difficult sometimes. Nice thing about vinyl, it's usually pretty forgiving as long as you don't stretch it. And this little vinyl is very easy to stretch. Gotta go over and fix this knee. Figure out how to fix it right quick. What happened is a corner folded back on itself that I couldn't see till I put light on it. Got that fixed. That will go out. That's not bad. It's not bad. He's gonna need help. Sometimes little fingers would be helpful. Alright, didn't want to, but I'm going to have to. I think I'd be all, ooh, wow, there we go. Turned out all right, I think. Hit it with a little bit of heat, call it good.